Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall swiper sliders from a responsive UI layout, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your project in your preferred code editor. Locate the HTML file where the swiper slider is implemented. Find the section of code that initializes the swiper slider. This usually contains a script that specifically targets the swiper component. Next, remove or comment out the initialization script. This will stop the swiper from rendering on your page. Now, search for the HTML markup that contains the swiper structure. This typically includes elements with classes like swiper container and swiper slide. Delete the entire swiper markup from your HTML file. Ensure that you carefully remove all related sections to avoid broken layouts. Next, move to your CSS files. Search for any CSS rules that specifically style the swiper slider. Remove these styles to prevent any lingering visual effects on your layout. Now, open your JavaScript files. Check for any event listeners or functions related to the swiper slider. Remove these references to clean your codebase. If you have installed swiper via a package manager, navigate to your project's dependencies. Uninstall the swiper package if necessary. For npm users, run the command npm uninstall swiper. For yarn users, execute yarn remove swiper. After uninstalling swiper, test your user interface. Ensure that the layout remains responsive and functional. Check for any console errors in the browser developer tools. Adjust other layout elements, if needed, to maintain visual consistency. Finally, review your site on multiple devices to confirm responsive behavior. Once everything looks good, you have successfully uninstalled swiper sliders from your responsive UI layout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.